Today is Mia's
birthday.
Today is Mia's birthday. We make
Uh,
surprise party.
we make a surprise party. Sarah bakes a big cake. Sarah bakes a big cake.
Frank puts up the balloons. Frank puts up the balloons. Ben
comes to help. Ben comes to help.
Surprise!
Happy
Birthday, Mia!
Mia is so happy. Mia is so happy. Look at all the balloons. Look at all the balloons. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad. The cake is so beautiful. The cake is so beautiful.
Let's play a game. Let's play a game.
Go! We play hide and seek. We play hide and seek. I can't find Mia. I can't find Mia. Here I am. Here I am.
Now,
We
play musical.
chairs.
Now we play musical chairs. Mia wins the game.
Game.
Mia wins the game.
Time to open presents. Time to open presents. This is from Ben. This is from Ben.
It's a teddy bear. I love it. It's a teddy bear. I love it.
This is from Mom and Dad. This is from Mom and Dad.
Wow, a new bicycle. Wow, a new bicycle. Thank you. Time to eat the cake. Time to eat the cake.
We light the candles.
Make a wish. Mia, make a wish, Mia. Mia blows the candles. Mia blows the candles. The cake is delicious. The cake is delicious.
We dance and sing together. We dance and sing together.
Thank you for coming, Ben. Ben? Thank you for coming, Ben. This is the best birthday. This is the best birthday. I love my family. I love my family.